Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome all of you in this lecture, which is for class 12, subject economics. Dear students, today's our topic is what do we mean by the term money? Yes, dear students, as we have discussed in the previous lecture that initially exchange of goods was direct, that is one good was exchanged for another good, and that system, that is when goods were exchanged for goods, that system was known as barter system. That is कि जो पिछले ज़माने में क्या होता था, पिछले ज़माने में चीज़ खरीदने के लिए या चीज़ बेचने के लिए पैसे का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता था, बल्कि हम एक चीज़ के बदले दूसरा चीज़ लेते थे. इसी को हम इकोनॉमिक्स में बार्टर सिस्टम कहते हैं. यानी कि अगर फॉर एग्जांपल हम ये कह सकते हैं, अगर किसी इंसान के पास दूध की वाफिर मकदार होती थी, अगर अब इसी इंसान को तेल की ज़रूरत पड़ती थी, अगर इसके पास तेल नहीं होता था मगर दूध बहुत बड़ी वाफिर मकदार में होता था, तो वो इस दूध से तेल कैसे हासिल करता था कि वो इस दूध को उस शख्स को देता था जिसके पास तेल होता था और उसको दूध की ज़रूरत होती थी. पर्सन ए फॉर एग्जाम्पल हु वर इन पोजिशन ऑफ great this capacity of milk was exchanged this milk to person B who was in capacity of oil. So पिछले ज़माने में चीज़ के बदले चीज़ दिया जाता था या चीज़ के बदले चीज़ दिया जाता था. इसी सिस्टम को हम इकोनॉमिक्स में बार्टर सिस्टम कहते हैं. अब जबकि सोसाइटी आगे बढ़ती गई तो अब एक नया चीज़ आ गया जिसको हम मोनी कहते हैं. जी हाँ प्यारे बच्चों, द वर्ड मोनी इन उर्दू मीन्स पैसा, जिसको हम उर्दू में पैसा कहते हैं. जी प्यारे बच्चों, जब लफ्ज़ पैसे के बारे में हम लगभग सभी जानते हैं, जब लफ्ज़ पैसा यानी मोनी हम सुनते हैं तो हमारे जहन में हरे हरे नोट्स की तस्वीर आती हैं और हम इस पैसे को किस लिए, कहाँ पर और कब इस्तेमाल करते हैं, ये भी लगभग हम सभी जानते हैं. However, dear students, it is rather difficult to give any single definition to the term that is money, which is accepted all where. So consequently the term has been defined differently by different writers. Some have restricted it to mean only the metallic money, यानी कि कुछ ये मानते हैं कि पैसे का मतलब हो गया सिर्फ नोट्स जो हम देखते हैं, अपने हाथ में लेते हैं या कॉइन्स लेते हैं अपने हाथ में. कहीं का मानना यह है कि पैसे हम सिर्फ इसी को कहते हैं, करेंसी को, वेदर इट इज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कॉइन्स और वेदर इट इज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नोट्स. However, other writers include checks and other like demand deposits, saving deposits, and other these terms related to this as a money. So different writers have given different definitions to the money. So dear student, let us study and understand some definitions given by different writers. Yes, if we will see a great economist, that is Walker, वॉकर ने बिल्कुल सही अंदाज में मोनी को डिफाइन किया है. व्हाट वॉकर सेज मोनी इज दैट मोनी डज, यानी कि हम उसी चीज को मोनी कह सकते हैं जो मोनी कुछ कर सकता है. यानी कि मोनी अगर हमें चीज खरीदने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, वी कैन से दैट इट इज मोनी एक्ट्स एज ए मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज. अगर अब हम मोनी अपना वेल्थ पॉजेस करने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं, वी कैन से दैट इट एक्ट्स एज ए दिस measure of value, and so on. So that's why Miller says money is that money does. According to this J.S. Mill defines it as money is the medium through which the income of different members of the community are distributed to them, and the measure by which they estimate their positions. Robertson defined it money as anything which is widely accepted in the payment for goods or in discharge of other kinds of business obligations. According to H. Withers, Wither क्या कह रहे हैं? Wither कह रहे हैं that setup with which we buy and sell things is known as money. According to well-known definition given by Crowther defines money as anything that is generally accepted as a medium of exchange and that at same time acts as a measure and as a store of value. So another writer, well-known writer, Jem Canis defines money that by delivery of which debit contracts and price contracts or discharge, and in the shape of which a store of general purchasing power is held. So dear students, a study of these definitions show that they impose one function of the money or the other, and it's clear that it is to be defined according to the functions with its performance. यानी कि मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया है, different economists have defined this money in different terms. So it is clear here that it is to be defined according to the functions which is performance, which I initially mentioned in my lecture, that Walker's definition is one which emphasizes this fact. Walker rightly says that money is that what money does. So naturally we shall consider that definition to be correct, which tries to cover as many functions of money as possible. In this sense, Crowther's definition is more satisfactory because it covers the three important functions, that is, those of means of exchange, measure of value, and store of value. So, to give any precise definition and to reach to that definition which is acceptable everywhere is very difficult. And I have already told you when we started this subject that when we were defining the term microeconomics, that to give any single definition to any term is very difficult, because any one term may have various meanings in various fields. So to consume our time and energy on to get any precise definition of this money is a futile exercise. So in order to understand what does we mean by money, is that the definition of Walker is very good definition. That is what he says. He doesn't give any particular definition to the money, that money acts as a medium of exchange, money acts as a store of value. He simply says that money is that, money does. So this was all about the definition of money. So in the next lecture we will continue this chapter. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.